Welcome to this N4LN training session. My name is Dan Aldridge and I will be your finance consultant today. Today we will be processing a cash receipt against a single sales invoice, and we'll be creating a new batch to do that. So we need to go to the transaction entry session, which I can access here in my recently used sessions by clicking once. You will see here that I have a list of transaction types that are available for me based on my user, and what I would like to do is a cash receipt, so I will choose this transaction type, and you see here we have the line type new, so I will create a new batch by clicking go to details. Now I will insert a new cash receipt record, and you will see that the company number that I am in, this is the finance company number, defaults in as the company that I'm in. I can also change that company number to be a different finance company if I'm entering it from a shared services company. The default is receipt transaction, and that's what I would like to do. So I will tab across to the business partner payment number field, which is usually used to put in a check number or a remittance advice number. So I will enter check number 1234 here, and then I will tab past the invoice from business partner and choose an invoice. Here's a list of my invoices, and I'm going to choose this second one here. So I simply click to select and say OK, and then I tab, and you'll see the amount, the total amount of the invoice comes in automatically here. The default reference is the invoice number, and I can also add to that if I like. This is an optional step, so I can put in the check number here. And tab. And if I'm done with my batch, I can simply click save, and then save and exit to exit the batch, which will take me back to this transaction entry screen. And at this point what I can do is I can either exit the screen and the batch that I've created, which is batch number 8, can be finalized at a later time, or if I have access, I can highlight the batch, go to Finalize and click Finalize, choose a printer, and I have finalized my batch. So I will have 3 reports here, first being a journal report, and notice that this can be printed or it can be saved because it is actually a PDF in PDF format. So the journal report tells me all of the detailed lines in the batch, the totals by ledger account shows you the totals for each ledger account, obviously, and the finalization status tells us that batch number 8 has been finalized successfully. That concludes our training today. Thank you very much for your attention, and if you would like to have a full transcript of this training, please visit us at www.performaapps.com. That's PERFORMAAPPS.com, or send me an email. Thank you very much.